Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Upedge. I'm playing Call of Duty Mobile and I accidentally went to go and turn on auto matching, i.e. you can complete your squad. When normally I play alone, now I'm forced to play alongside these guys that can't play for shit. God damn it. Okay, so who are we not following? I'm not following you guys. I'm going alone like I always do with my Batman voice. I'm jumping from where are the hot drops? Where are the hot drops? What starting drop? Hot drops, launch base. You know what? Go! I need hot drops. Sniper. What the fuck am I doing with the sniper?
Your teammate has been killed. Get the dog tag and help them return to the battle.
Has been killed by what? Where did he kill him? Where is everybody? Okay.
Cover me, reloading.
What kind of stupid gun is this now? You won't even shoot one person. I can't see these things clearly.
Cover me.
The revived flight will fly.
Jesus Christ, this gun. I no carry enough bullet to. I've only killed one team. This thing is collapsing. I've only wiped out just one team. How did that guy survive that? How will I heal myself now? How will I heal myself?
The ejection device bin has been delivered.
The fuck is this?
Enjoy your trip.
What in the hell?
Airdrop incoming.
Bunny, where's my car, Joe? Have some rest, though, Joe. I wonder where all my stupid squad mates are, safe. Joe.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Where the fuck did that? I don't know where everybody is. That's the most annoying problem. I no can't get bulletproof again. Shit, I should not have stopped moving. Don't stop moving.
Airdrop incoming.
Never stop moving. That guy was holding school. I could have him. Okay.
Time for the mission. Get ready.
Hello everyone and welcome to Upedge. Today I'm playing Call of Duty Mobile Battle Royale Isolation. solo versus squad like I normally do. Me all alone. This is the way I was meant to game. Let's begin. I need to drop in a place where I can see so many people to wipe out. Oh, that last game, I only had 4 kills. Then got killed by actual human beings who couldn't play. Oh god, I go land in another goddamn isolated place.
Chip terminal is almost ready. The safe zone is collapsing.
Hey, whoa. These people are human beings now.
About to start.
My goodness.
Time for the mission. Get ready.
That last match was a goddamn debacle. And then I accidentally pressed play again and they went to go and thrust me into an entire goddamn useless squad. At least I'm still the team medic, so I can heal myself. Wait, is this plane flyable? Holy shit, wait, let me go and get a weapon. No. What the fuck? You want to carry my... Nah, I will shoot you like this, eh? Go! I don't know how to fly this thing. I'm out of here, bro. I don't know how to use that. I don't know how to fly that plane. I don't kill that guy. Where he can go?
Airdrop has been delivered.
Changing mag, cover me.
Airdrop
Helicopter
has
is
been
here
delivered.
too. This is happening. attacking. This was so stupid. I didn't even get the chance to do shit.